The subtle ways divorce cases get more expensive. Divorce cases do not always get expensive because of one huge courtroom battle. Sometimes they get expensive quietly, one small inefficiency at a time. One unclear email, one missing document, one avoidable misunderstanding, one emotional message that creates 3 new problems, one refusal to follow a court order because someone is angry and wants to make a point. Those things add up. One of the quietest cost drivers in a divorce case is disorganization. When documents arrive in scattered screenshots, unlabeled attachments, partial statements, or several different message threads, someone has to sort that out. That takes time. Another cost driver is relitigating the same issue over and over. Sometimes a client sends a new message every time the other party says something irritating. The problem is that not every irritating thing is legally important. Some things need to be documented. Some things need to be addressed. Some things need to be ignored. Knowing the difference matters. Another hidden cost is using your attorney's office as a place to vent instead of a place to solve. That may sound harsh, but it is true. Divorce is emotional. Child custody disputes are emotional. Your legal team understands that. But every long message has to be read, evaluated, and often responded to. If the message contains 5 pages of emotion but only 3 useful facts, the case becomes more expensive without becoming stronger. Another cost driver is refusing to comply with temporary orders because the other party is also behaving badly. Court orders do not become optional because your ex is difficult. If the order says exchange the children at a certain time, pay a certain bill, provide certain information, or communicate in a certain way, follow the order unless your attorney tells you otherwise, or there is a genuine emergency. Judges usually do not enjoy hearing, "I violated the order because the other person deserved it." Another quiet problem is delay. Waiting until the last minute to send documents, review drafts, answer questions, or approve filings creates pressure. Pressure creates mistakes. Mistakes create more work. More work creates more cost. The goal is not to make clients afraid to contact their law office. The goal is to help clients understand that every action in a case has a cost, and not every cost is worth paying. A good divorce case is not built by reacting to everything. It is built by identifying what matters, proving what can be proven, complying with orders, staying organized, and choosing battles carefully. Sometimes the most expensive thing in a divorce case is not the other party. Sometimes it is avoidable chaos.